Hello queens and kings, and welcome back. Today I will be giving you guys a tour of my kitchen. Right now I'm just showing you guys an overview of how I have cleaned everything. I took all my spring and summer things down, so this is a clean slate for me. So if you guys would like to see how I decorated for fall, all of the nice decoration that I did, please continue to watch. So starting here on my bar here, I have layered my chargers and plates and everything on my little bar area here, just to give another little different texture and glamour look that will speak for me for this year fall. And you guys can see I am using my Burgundy place mats and napkins, also my Z Gallery glasses. Here's another quick overview of my kitchen. I really do like how it looks, and I love how everything just bounced off the white. Here on top of my refrigerator, all I did just put a large pumpkin, Z Gallery grapes, and some more pumpkins and flowers in some wooden picks that I purchased from Marshall's. Now moving down here, I just love this little cozy area here. I made this area for my kids, the little cocoa station for them, so I can have them some little hot cocoa, even though it's just not, the weather's not all cool here yet in Florida, but it is in my home. So I actually want to make this little DIY area for them, since I have my little wine bar and everything. So I decided to get them some little hot cocoa packs, some little marshmallows. You see I put cookies in there because they ate up all the little squirrels there of the little chocolate sticks you see. And here's my DIY hot cocoa sign that I made for them. And I just love this little area because it just seems so cozy. Now that thankful and blessed sign back there is a little DIY where I revamped one of Dollar Tree little pumpkin signs. And look at these little squirrels here. They are just so cute and adorable. I love it. Here's another angle of how my bar look over my sink area, Val. But I have also placed on top of my microwave, just bring a little decorative piece of my thankful, blessed, and grateful pumpkins that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. So queens and kings, that is pretty much my tour of my kitchen. If you all enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, as well as share with your family and friends, just in case someone wants some type of inspiration for their home for fall. And if they have a small kitchen like I do, it doesn't take much to actually spruce up your home for the holidays. So with that being said, queens and kings, always do what you're afraid to do, and you guys know that's in a positive way. I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.